Just realized that the heater only works on the 3 and 4. So got this little replacement part. They can't even spell China. Apparently it's made in Xi'an, whatever the country that is. And this is what you get from Xi'an. Yeah. A new resistor board. Hopefully it works better than they can spell it. From other writing I saw, you just need to remove the glove box. Fuck. The little resistor sits right there on the side. It looks like it needs a couple 8mm bolts to get it out of there. Right there and one across. On the connector you just press this button lever up and pull out the connector, freeing up access to the resistor. Hopefully we can get to it easily. That's one bolt. Let's see if we get to the second one. Actually surprisingly dark there without the light. Alright. Let's see if we can get to the second one. Got it. There's a comparison old versus new. You can see on old one it's a little burnout. Something got overheated. And this is the new one. Nice and clean. Hopefully I get my second speed back. Alright, let's get it back in. Just slides in like a card. That's it. Unfortunately, you need both hands to get the screws in. And one more. Looks like a mini wrench will work better a little bit. And that's it, the new one in. Now just a matter of sliding the connector back on. Closing the glove box. Let's see, the $16 one was just as good as an $85 one from dealer. Air on 4, air on 3, air on 2, and air on 1. Fantastic. Hopefully it will last as long as the original did. Just 300,000 clicks. Well, for today the repairs are done.